Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives, and today I'm at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas. And today, let's go for a drive in this 2022 Acura MDX SH all-wheel drive Advance. 2022 was the first model year for this current generation of the MDX. The MDX Advance is the highest trim, apart from the MDX Type S Advance. Excluding 2025, because now there's the A-Spec Advance. But yeah, back in 2022 it was just the base model, Tech Package, A-Spec Advance, Type S Advance, and also the Type S Tech. So the Advance package will give you a lot of nice features: heated seats, ventilated seats, 360-degree camera system, heated steering wheel, head-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's actually on all MDXs. You have the true touchpad interface right here. Super handling all-wheel drive is standard on the A-Spec and the Advance packages. This is a pre-owned model, of course, and the pre-owned models offer a great value. You can get them in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, depending on the mileage. So it's a great value because the original MSRP in this vehicle was $65,000, roughly. This is the Majestic. This is finished in Majestic Black Pearl with a parchment interior. You have the ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system, 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 with 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. Rear seats are also heated. You can access the third row by clicking that button. Pretty convenient, great legroom. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you want to shop for pre-owned Acuras. It has a capless fuel filling system. You can use regular fuel, but premium is recommended by the manufacturer. You have a wireless charging tray, as you can see my phone there. You have the button shifter. I like the current generation of the MDX a lot. It's really nice. I personally own one as well, and I like to daily drive it when I'm not driving my other vehicles. It's very comfortable, very good looking, and very premium feeling. They sell really well for a good reason. Pretty seamless acceleration. The transmission's a 10-speed automatic. It's really nice. Great responsiveness and smooth. Previously, the MDX had ZF9, which was a little bit clunky, but with the 10-speed, it was refined a lot for the MDX driving experience. Super handling all-wheel drive is torque vectoring. It gives you good handling around corners as it redistributes weight between the axles. The interior is very quiet. Feels very nice in here. And this specific model has 68,000 miles and is priced in the mid $30,000 range, which is still a really good value. These cars will last forever if you take good care of them and maintain them properly. And the 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 that's shown to be very reliable and a robust engine. I like the steering grips around on the sides of the steering wheel. They're really nice. The 9 and 3 grips are easy to grab. You can go around, you know, when you're going around corners or such. And I believe this MDX handles very well for its size. It definitely handles a lot better than most other 3-row SUVs of this size. It is a twin wishbone suspension. It's quite impressive how limited the body roll is for a vehicle of this size, and the intentions of this vehicle being a family SUV. But yes, I'm a huge believer in the Acura MDX. I always have been. I love it, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a 3-row SUV. Luxury. The MDX Advance also offers beautiful open-pore ash pearl wood trim. You also have the Acura Iconic Drive lighting at nighttime. It also features full LED headlights and taillights, jewel eye LED headlights, and LED rear taillights with the chicane Acura design. The true touchpad interface is easy to use. Maybe a bit, intimidating at the beginning if you haven't used a system like this, but what's great about the true touchpad interface is that it's not a mouse pad where you have to go individually and it's very distracting. This one is basically like a one-to-one mapping. Wherever you see something on the screen is where you would press on the touchpad. And yes, it's a very comfortable ride. On the Advanced package, you can adjust you have thigh extension, side bolstering adjustments, and lumbar support. It gives you very comfortable seating in the driver's seat and the passenger seat as well. The speed limit is also in the gauge cluster, and you can also see it in the head-up display. Yes, overall the MDX Advance is a very nice SUV, and as I was saying, in the pre-owned market, it's a great value. You're getting a lot of car for the money in this price point, $30,000 to $40,000. Good braking as well, as you can see. But yes, a very comfortable ride overall on this vehicle. But anyways, that is about it. Watching another video, Driv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for pre-owned vehicles like this one and pre-owned Acuras.